Well, hi everyone. Welcome back to Scott's Honest Review. So today we are reviewing the 20-in-1 Snowflake multi-tool. Well, I for one see a lot of tools on here that I use pretty often when working on cars. So this is what's inside the box here. We see the multi-tool right here. It's made out of metal. As you can see here, you got different ends. Definitely a lot of the ends that are commonly used. Got the flathead, the screwdriver, and then you go down there from size. They also supply a key ring as well. So nice is great and all, but does it even work? Well, let's go ahead and try. So, line it up here. Look at this. Easily twisting out the screw that's inside here. Very nice. So we're gonna go ahead and put that screw back. So it does work.